Yeah.
Come on up.
Thank you. Thank you. As long as you don't get me shoveling. That was pretty warm in there, sir.
Hey, it's not so bad at the moment.
Yeah.
Come out your way.
So you're still the driver?
I am. Yes,
Yeah.
for my sins.
Yeah. So where are you going to take the train now?
It's going to go through to York.
Yeah.
When we get to York, this comes off, and then the diesel goes back on, takes it back through to Carnforth.
All right. Right.
Yeah, so nice steady day for us, nice steady day for local.
Yeah. And a lot of people getting pleasure from it.
Sorry?
A lot of people getting pleasure from it.
Definitely, definitely. A lot of people.
Yeah. The so this is the controls that you see when you're driving.
Yeah, we've got the forward and reverse. Got your regulator which allows steam down to the steam chest. You've got your brake for it. You've got your exhausters to create the brake. Who's calling the golden shot? Yeah, Ron? Yeah? Yes, I am. Right. All right.
Smile nicely. Brilliant, thank you so much.
Yeah, well, I did as well.
It's really hot inside.
It is, don't be.
Brilliant, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
How did you steer it?
Pardon?
How did you steer it?
Steer it?
I'm listening,
Well,
I'm
that's
just
what the
listening
track's
to this
doing, isn't
man's
it?
going to blow off.
Can I just
Yeah, sorry.
operate some controls?
Alright, he's back.
Yes, maybe now. Right, let me get out first. Alright, get to the next first.
Just releasing some pressure, are you?
Now I'm putting water into the boiler,
All right.
and that has the effect of reducing the boiler pressure.
Oh, I see.
Putting
Right.
cold water in.
Ah, right. Shall I get out of your way, sir?
Yeah, might as well. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Start getting myself sorted for the trip back.
Right. What? How long have you got?
just under 20 minutes. Quarter of an hour, 20 minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay then.
Scarborough Spa Express. Steam engine. Here at Scarborough Station.